Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about how drinking black coffee before exercise can enhance fat burning. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, and for many people, it's an essential part of their morning routine. While coffee is primarily known for its ability to provide a caffeine boost and increase alertness, it has also been recognized for its potential role in enhancing fat burning, particularly when consumed black and before exercise. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will explore the science behind how drinking black coffee before exercise can enhance fat burning and its potential benefits for those looking to improve their fitness and weight management goals. The role of caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant found in coffee, tea, and some other beverages. It is well known for its ability to increase alertness and combat fatigue, making it a popular choice for many people to kickstart their day. When consumed before exercise, caffeine can offer several benefits that contribute to enhanced fat burning. One of the primary ways caffeine works is by stimulating the central nervous system. It blocks the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and drowsiness, leading to increased alertness and energy levels. This boost in energy can be particularly helpful before a workout, as it can enhance motivation and reduce perceived effort during physical activity. Furthermore, caffeine has been shown to increase the release of adrenaline, a hormone that plays a crucial role in the body's fight-or-flight response. Adrenaline promotes the breakdown of stored fat and the release of fatty acids into the bloodstream, making them available as a source of energy for the body. This mechanism is essential for fat burning during exercise, as it allows the body to tap into its fat stores more effectively. Coffee and metabolic rate. Drinking black coffee can also influence the resting metabolic rate, RMR, which is the number of calories the body burns at rest. A higher RMR means that the body burns more calories even when you're not engaged in physical activity. The caffeine in coffee has been shown to temporarily increase the RMR, which can have a positive impact on overall energy expenditure. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that caffeine consumption can lead to a 3–11% increase in metabolic rate, depending on the amount consumed and individual variability. This boost in metabolic rate may be attributed to the thermogenic effect of caffeine, which means it generates heat as the body processes it. This extra energy expenditure can contribute to enhanced fat burning, especially when combined with regular exercise. Caffeine and fat oxidation. Fat oxidation refers to the process of breaking down and utilizing fat for energy. When you consume black coffee before exercise, the caffeine can enhance your body's ability to oxidize fat, making it a more efficient energy source during your workout. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology examined the effects of caffeine on fat oxidation during exercise. The researchers found that caffeine significantly increased fat oxidation, meaning that more of the calories burned during exercise came from fat stores rather than carbohydrates. This is particularly beneficial for individuals looking to lose body fat or improve their body composition. Enhanced endurance. In addition to increasing fat oxidation, caffeine from black coffee can also enhance endurance during aerobic activities such as running, cycling, or swimming. This increased endurance can lead to more extended and more intense workouts, ultimately contributing to greater fat burning. Caffeine's ergogenic, performance-enhancing effects are well documented. It has been shown to reduce the perception of effort during exercise, which means you may feel less fatigued and more capable of pushing yourself harder. This can lead to more extended workout sessions and, in turn, greater fat burning. Coffee and appetite suppression. Another way that drinking black coffee before exercise can enhance fat burning is by suppressing appetite. While it may not directly influence fat oxidation or metabolism, it can indirectly contribute to weight loss by helping individuals consume fewer calories. Caffeine has been shown to reduce feelings of hunger and increase feelings of fullness. This appetite-suppressing effect can be particularly useful for those who struggle with overeating or snacking before or after workouts. By curbing your appetite, you may be less likely to consume excess calories, which can aid in weight management and fat loss. Caffeine timing and dosage. The timing of caffeine consumption is essential when using coffee as a tool for fat burning during exercise. It is generally recommended to consume black coffee about 30–60 minutes before your workout to allow the caffeine to be absorbed and reach its peak effects during your exercise session. This timing aligns with the caffeine half-life, which is approximately 3–5 hours, depending on individual factors like metabolism and sensitivity. The optimal caffeine dosage can vary from person to person, as individual tolerance levels differ. It is recommended to start with a moderate dose, such as 3-6 mg of caffeine per kilogram of body weight. For a 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, individual, this would equate to 210,420 milligrams of caffeine, which is roughly equivalent to 1-2 cups of brewed coffee. If you are not a regular caffeine consumer, it's best to start with a lower dose to gauge your tolerance and minimize potential side effects like jitteriness and anxiety. Potential side effects and considerations. While drinking black coffee before exercise offers several benefits for fat burning, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and considerations. Not everyone responds to caffeine in the same way, and excessive caffeine consumption can lead to adverse effects such as jitters and anxiety. Some individuals are more sensitive to caffeine and may experience restlessness, nervousness, or anxiety. Sleep disturbances. Consuming caffeine too close to bedtime can interfere with sleep patterns, leading to insomnia or disrupted sleep. Digestive issues. Coffee can be a diuretic, leading to increased urination and potential digestive discomfort in some individuals. Heart health. While moderate caffeine consumption is generally considered safe, excessive intake may have adverse effects on heart health, especially in individuals with underlying heart conditions. It's crucial to monitor your body's response to caffeine and adjust your consumption accordingly. If you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating caffeine into your routine. Conclusion. Drinking black coffee before exercise can enhance fat burning through various mechanisms, including increased energy, improved metabolic rate, enhanced fat oxidation, increased endurance, and appetite suppression. Caffeine, the active compound in coffee, plays a significant role in these effects by stimulating the central nervous system and promoting the release of adrenaline. When combined with regular exercise and a balanced diet, consuming black coffee can be a valuable tool for those looking to improve their fitness and weight management goals. Additionally, remember that while coffee can support your fat-burning efforts, it should complement a healthy lifestyle that includes regular physical activity and a balanced diet to achieve lasting results. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.